What's up, YouTube? It's Jackie coming back in Thursday, July 20th with my second box, Bowman blaster box. I actually picked these up last weekend. I opened one on camera and had to do the video like 4 times because it wasn't working out for me. So I saved the other one. I wasn't 100% sure if I was going to break it or not, but I've been watching a few breaks of this, so figured you might as well pay for it. Might as well give it a shot. 5, 6, 7, 8 packs, 4 cards a piece. You got your exclusive parallel cards. Wish me luck here. Not a big pack ripper at all. Cole Hamels. Cards do have a lot of shine. Nomar Mazzario. Manny Margit. And a Anderson Espinoza, San Diego. He's a prospect that'll come through here. Always like getting prospects to come through here. Jasmine Talon, Jamison Talon, Tim Anderson, a rookie card of Andrew Benintendi, Francisco Mejia, pack number 3. Seen some people get some autos out of these, even the blaster box. Daniel Murphy, Robinson Cano, Cody Bellinger rookie card, Corey Ray. As funny as this sounds, most of these cards are some of the same cards that I saw last time. Clayton Kershaw, Cespedes, a short print Trevor Story number to 250, and Guerrero Jr. Goldschmidt, Felix Hernandez, Trout, Platinum Presents, and Julene Ortiz. 2 regular packs, and then you got your parallel packs. Wouldn't mind hitting the auto on that parallel pack. Michael Fulmer, Andrew Miller. It's a nice card. This guy just got called up, Jan Mikata. And Luis Castillo. It's the last regular pack. So far no hits. Did get a number parallel. Just got off work. About to get in the shower and go to bed. Got me a nice Aaron Judge rookie. That's nice. I'll take that. So we got a Bellinger and a Judge. Braden Shipley rookie. Gavin something. And a Patrick McGill. Let's hope for an auto out of here. This would be nice to get a parallel auto. The first one is Goldschmidt, iced out. Felix Hernandez. Franklin Beretta. And Brett Honeywell. So hey, there's some nice cards out of here. This Honeywell looked like it could be good the way he pitched in the Futures game. Beretta just came up, so can never go wrong with the year of the judge. That in a penny sleeve and get in a top loader. Let me penny sleeve a couple more of these up real quick. So all in all, I think, you know, I paid $20 for both boxes. I'm happy with my returns. I think I'll did all right. Like I said, Aaron Judge rookie card. Mr. Russo, that's your boy. Yohan Moncada. Cody Bellinger, Pepino Man, and a numbered Trevor Story. So not a bad break at all. Got a couple I can IP. All in that. So maybe I stopped at the Walmart on my way home today, and that Walmart didn't have any. I might run to another Walmart tomorrow and see if I can get another blaster box. I wish I could find the retail boxes. It'd be nice. So the last 2 days with me, I have been IPing Springfield Cardinals versus the Northwest Arkansas Naturals. I will have a recap of that. I gotta just go through and sort all the cards. This is my stack from first night of autographing. So a nice stack, and then I did just as well the second night. So I'll get an IP recap of that. I'll probably take me a nap first and then get up and do that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time, and peace out. We'll talk to you soon.